Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic today. So I have some incredibly exciting news to share with all of you. As many of you know, the journey to becoming a monetized YouTube channel has been quite the adventure. From the early days of uploading videos to the countless hours spent creating content, it's been a whirlwind of a ride. But today, I am beyond thrilled to announce that we've reached a major milestone together. Thanks to all of your incredible support, we've not only hit 1K plus subscribers, but we've also achieved a whopping 4,000 watch time hours, and we've been monetized. I am absolutely blown away by this achievement, and I cannot thank each and every one of you enough for being a part of this journey. Whether you've been here since the beginning or just recently joined the Net Phantom family, your support means the world to me. To all of my subscribers, you guys are the heartbeat of this channel. Your likes, comments, and shares have not only helped us grow, but they've also motivated me to keep pushing forward, even when things got tough. I want to take a moment to express my gratitude to each and every one of you. Your kind words and encouragement have inspired me more than you'll ever know. And to those of you who haven't subscribed yet, I want to extend a warm invitation to join our community. Whether you're passionate about gaming, love to laugh, or just enjoy spending time on YouTube, there's a place for you here. As we continue on this journey together, I'm excited to bring you even more content that entertains, educates, and inspires. So be sure to stay tuned for all the exciting things we have in store. Once again, thank you from the bottom of my heart for your unwavering support. Here's to reaching even greater heights together. Until next time, take care and keep spreading positivity. Bye for now.